J. I'm part of the ADR cell. I'm the webinar seminar team head, sir. So I look after arranging the seminars, webinars for ADR, specifically for ADR cells. So we have a few questions for you since you saw our launch of the ADR channel. Now we have a YouTube channel. So what do you think about the future of ADR in the current situation, sir?
Earlier, the adjudication system was there, and now because of this alternative dispute resolution system, the clients have also that is acquainted and they are more interested in settling the matter through this alternative dispute resolution system. The only flaw which is there is that the lack of communication to the litigants. So in that light, if you take a step to communicate them what are the advantages, how that fast that they can get the relief instead of adjudicatory methods, so then definitely that it will click. So even Honorable Apex Court and our High Court has many a times declared that the ADR system, especially the mediation system, is considered to be the best. I had an occasion to visit America to undergo a training on this mediation. So therein I found that nearly 90% of the litigations that they will be settled through this mediation. They feel that it is more comfortable. And in mediation, that there is no lose or it is win. So both the parties will win. And in mediation, that they draw an agreement with consensus. So all the facts that they will be narrated, what are the loopholes that they will be made to understand, and then the parties will come to their own agreement. The same is going to be drafted and it is submitted to the court and court is going to accept the same. And there is no appeal and the parties will not spend much time on this litigation. And it is also a cheap, that is the cost of the litigation is also very cheap. So even that is also there. And in many cases I have seen pre-litigation. If both the parties before coming to the court they want to settle the matter amicably through this arbitration, mediation or conciliation or loc adalat, so then they can also settle the matter. As now that there is a overcrowding, that docket explosion we call. So in order to that is reduce dependency of the court. So I think that what steps that you are taking, making awareness about this ADR system, it appears to be very nice. We can go ahead. The one thing is I want to make it very clear that you have to make a short that is publications with regard to that what is mediation, what is arbitration and how that it works. That people must understand how easy to approach that. Then only that the alternative dispute resolution is going to succeed.
So we have already planned for all the videos. Mediation first. We are going through mediation and then negotiations. So we have planned short videos, like I said, 10-15 minutes videos, so that students don't spend much time, but they also get the understanding of what ADR and what the concepts of ADR is.
So in your curriculum, that if you that is introduce either 10 marks or 15 marks for attending the mediation or loc adalat or arbitration, then definitely they will that is have some interest in that. So they are the budding lawyers. So when they get interest and definitely if they come to know what is the benefit out of it, They also that is refer the cases for mediation, alternative dispute resolution, whatever is there.
We will surely take care. Our students are very enthusiastic about this steps. Also, sir, would you like to tell us what the future of ADR in India is? As I recall from you that you said communication is the key in India so that the ADR grows.
No, always whenever a new things have been implemented in the society, so teething problem into that. All of a sudden that everything will not be clicked because everybody feels that we will not. Even the advocates may feel, no, if the case is settled, what is our fate? So it is not that they will get the case. There are so many cases that which have to be decided by the courts. So they cannot be settled in mediation. The Honorable Supreme Court has given guidelines what are the cases which can be referred to the mediation and what are the cases which have to be decided by the courts. And one more that aspect with respect to mediation is concerned, the judge who refers the matter, that he has to make a point for that settlement. That is, the element of settlement is there, then only he will refer. So here he applies his mind and he will know the facts, and even that it helps him in deciding the cases very quickly.
Yes.
Because already he has applied his mind and he has gone through the pleadings. So in that way that it helps. So definitely it is having a future. Now I am also that is doing mediation and arbitration. That many cases will come because that many big shots that they want the matter to be settled. That is out of court by these three ADR systems.
Right. So the corporate world is looking into ADR.
Yes. But nobody wants to that is keep the litigation pending. So in that way, that it is having a bright future in this.
Also, I think corporate world looks into ADR because it's a very private, sort of assignment. Whereas the court will put everything outside.
There are two types of mediations. One is court annexed mediation, and another was independent. So private mediation is also that is welcome. If the parties are having interest and they are having a confidence in that, they can go. This system is not a new system. So earlier that the panchayat used to be held in the villages. So the elderly persons, they used to sit and so amicably they used to come to an agreement and they used to settle the matter. So now that little bit legal concept have been that is given to it, and legal angle is also that is going to be seen. At the earlier days that they never used to that is bother whether that agreement is legal or not. Now that only legal agreements can be entered through this mediation. So in that way that it is having a future.
Thank you so much, sir. That's all I have for you. It was my pleasure talking to you, sir.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for having given me this opportunity to interact with you. So thank you.